two particles move in xy plane with the position is function of time given by r1 and r2. So this is t squared plus 2t plus 2 times e, which is unit vector of the x-axis, and this is j, that is unit vector of the y-axis. So where t is in second and r1 and r2 are in meters. At what time do the two particles collide? That is under A and under B. At the moment just before they collide, determine the velocity of particle 2 relative to particle 1. Both of x and y components are in terms of magnitude and direction. Okay, let us do under A. At what time the two particles collide? So t is equal question mark. When these do, at what point will those two particles collide? In that moment when they have same when they are at the same place. And this is what is describing the place of the particle. Coordinates. At the same place is where the r1 is equal to r2. That is easy. So you just place this thing here to be equal to this thing here. How is this equal to this? When they need to have both components equal. This here is x component and this here is y component. So this part here needs to be same as this part here, and in the same time this part here needs to be same with this part here. So at that time, for those are the conditions for the same place. And let's say what are the solutions for these two things to be equal. So that is that. And you solve quadratic equation and you get two solutions. One is, these are actually in seconds. 2 seconds and 1. These are 2 seconds and 1 second. Because t is in seconds. And that is for the x component. And for the y component, we have to equate those two things. So we have similar thing, this thing here to be equal to this one, and we get two solutions. One is 3 seconds, one is 2 seconds. And from these two solutions, only this will be correct. Why? Because there is a 2 second here and a 2 second here. At 1 second, x components will be the same, but at 1 second, y component will not be the same. So there will be something like this. So x component is the same, but y is not the same. So this is y and this is x. So that is the meaning of that. Okay, that's not important. So that is the solution. So in the second second, particles will collide. Now for the, we need to find speed relative to one another. What is this? It's the speed of the particles relative to one another. We need to introduce another coordinate system that is connected with one particle. So this is that y' and x'. And that is in direction, that is new coordinate system. In respect to that, we will have r' here. And like that, we will determine, when we describe motion of this particle in this coordinate system, we will describe everything as it should in this assignment. And I will not show you how to do this to the end. You could do it yourself. Here is starting points. So you could do it yourself, or for complete written answer, please follow the link in the description. If you want more of this, please subscribe and tell your friends. Thank you. Bye.